We heard a couple of local medical experts basically suggesting that we should forget about all sports in Jamaica at least until 2021 because of the rising COVID cases. But you know, I start feel sorry for the Jamaican sportsmen and women. The fact of the matter is that with every passing month and every passing week and every passing day, it is becoming more and more evident that the coronavirus not going anywhere anytime soon. So no longer can we plan to sit and wait till the virus disappears. Other sectors of the society have opened up with people being guided by the protocols dictated by the experts. And remember now, sport has already conceded the crucial component of the fans in the stands. Now all they are asking is that the players be allowed to play. How unreasonable is that? What if coronavirus continues to be rampant into 2022? We're going to lock down sports in Jamaica for 3 years? And in all of this, we must spare a thought for the young aspiring Jamaicans who are having their sporting dreams shattered by this unusual reality in these times. The fact is though, common sense has taught us that life is more important than sport, even for those for whom sport is life.